Balik. Prone, ikaw magsalita kung ready na yung cooldowns mo. Ikaw yung 30 seconds
3
cooldown dito.
seconds.
Ilang seconds?
Ready.
Wait.
May chaos ha.
Okay, walk tayo, bro, in the side of them. Walk tayo, walk. Guys, bakit napapating kayo? Bro niyan, yung mga deptas, mamatay na. Bro, in spread. Go southwest, engage sa akin. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sa akin now. Defensive, Demons, please. Demons, brawl, Lily, drop Judis, drop brawl, Liz, southeast, heal on the southeast, guys, heal on the southeast, come northwest,
Asan yung healer?
Heal, come southeast muna,
May spider.
come southeast muna, kamis, follow the crown, may mga nabobomba na ano, follow the crown,
Ayun nga, guys.
Alis kayo dyan sa spider.
Come southwest. Eh, walk-in sila. Okay, nag-engage tayo sa akin. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sa akin ako, naglalag. Guys, pakibilis! Pinutin yung boots nyo! Para pag nag-engage kayo, huwag niyo pinutin yung palakbo! Walk in spread. Come south sa akin. South sa akin. Huwag kasi mag-dit Adam. White, ready defensive now. Demons, harap. Okay, engage tayo sa akin. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sa akin now, big.
Tapos na. Kill.
Hindi pa. Brawl them. Huwag papahingan. Brawl. Walk inside of them. Healer. We need to heal on the front. Brawl start. Brawl, guys. Brawl. West, on the northwest. Ready, prone.
4 seconds.
Now,
Ready.
Keep healing. Walk inside.
Ready.
5, 4. Sa south. 3, 2, 1. Sa south now. Sa akin. Brawl. Don't stop rolling. Don't stop. Okay, ready defensive. No. Please heal. Demons in heal. Walk west. Hide west. Don't stop walk. Don't stop. The cuts go. Don't stop. Brawl. Ready, northeast.
Ready.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sa akin now. Nice, brawl.
Healer on sa east.
Brawl on the south, bro. We need brawlers in the south. We need brawlers in the southeast. We need brawlers in the east. Or east. Come back DPS. Come back east. Come back southeast. Okay, ready tayo sa akin. Ready? Brawl, guys. Brawl. Engage tayo. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest now. Sa akin. Heal. Drop Judis. Heal. Pakipatay caller nila. Walk, guys. Walk. Guys, pakipatay.
Sige lang.
Ready.
Come notice. Boss,
Uy, ang init. Wala pa
ang
ako.
lalim ni Adam lagi.
Nahuli na si Adam kanina eh. Nakatch.
Namatay ba siya? Di siya na-heal?